Anna, I'm starving. What's your all-time favorite food?
Easy Vietnamese pho. Hot broth, fresh herbs, tender beef, perfect anytime. What about you?
Pizza. Real Italian pizza with thin crust and lots of cheese.
Nice. Tonight, let's go eat something we both love. Any ideas?
How about a fusion restaurant? They have both pho and pizza on the same menu.
Perfect. I saw one new place called Pho and Pizza House. Let's try it.
At the restaurant, 7 p.m.
Good evening. Table for two?
Yes, please. Non-smoking area.
This way. Here are the menus.
Thank you. Wow, so many choices.
I already know. Classic margarita pizza for me. And you?
Special beef pho, large bowl, rare steak, extra herbs, please.
I'll add chicken wings and a Greek salad to share. Drinks?
Fresh lime soda with mint.
Same for me. Waiter? Great. Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
10 minutes later.
Here is your Greek salad and chicken wings first. Enjoy.
Thank you. These wings smell amazing. Try one, Tom.
Crispy and spicy. Perfect.
The salad is so fresh. I love the feta cheese.
Here comes the main course.
This pizza is exactly how I like it. Thin and cheesy.
And my pho is perfect. The broth is so rich. Want to try a spoon?
Yes, please. Wow, this is the best pho I've ever had.
Right? Now try the herbs. Basil, cilantro, lime.
So fresh. I understand why this is your favorite.
Your turn. Let me try the pizza.
Go ahead.
Oh my God, the cheese pulls forever. So delicious.
Told you, we have good taste.
Do you want dessert? They have tiramisu and mango sticky rice.
Both. One each and we share.
Perfect plan. Waiter, one tiramisu and one mango sticky rice, please.
Coming right up.
I'm so full and happy. This was the best dinner in a long time.
Same. We must come here again.
Every month. Let me pay tonight.
No, let's split the bill.
Next time, I pay everything, okay?
Deal. Thank you for the great idea, Tom.
Thank you for coming with me, Anna. Best food buddy ever.